How is this happening? How did it happen? Hi, Scamfalicious Mark. Oh, you're so sweet. You're so sweet. You're such a sweet little kitten. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Return. And scooped. First. Got him. You have to be lightning fast to catch this guy. Are they jumping off of the scratcher? Hi, Jag. Oh, Jag. Let's Jaggy Jag. Got him. Leo. Come here, little scamp. Leo might be going home soon. Oh, so cute. Not very graceful. Now, how did this happen? Naughty. Who's being naughty? Not Siberia. Siberia's a good boy. Luma. I see you. Amazing how flat, even small, but I feel betrayed. What are you gonna do, Floof? Floof, the Floof is trapped halfway up, halfway down on the inside. Yeah, that's the only thing to do, Floofers. Just get into it, let it happen. All right, coming in. Change first. I'm going to do some meds. Meds. So, that was a massive escape that got busted. Massive. We're trying it again right now. The double-sided tape slowed them down for a few hours, mostly while they were sleeping. All right. 9:46. Oh! He did it again! Where do you think you're going with me standing right here? I give you an A for effort, though. In you go. Here you go. He's like, wait, what happened? Where did the food go that I brought down here? Luana will be pleased to know I've got 3 cases of food. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So somewhere down here we've got a he goes. Puma. I did miss the duct tape. Somewhere. All right. That innocent face. Oh, Bob, you're so cute. Balls. Okay. All right. Okay. Oh, I should bring my phone. Because I need my dosages. Oh. So, oh, whoa. All right. Where did the, okay, here we go. Okay. Oh, I have another idea, maybe. Maybe I have a new idea. Maybe. Not sure how to test it out. Well, hello, my little clones. So then, sorry if I need it to go. Right oh, wow. That was a good catch. No. Okay, try it, buddy. Oh, what's perplexing, isn't it? Oh, you're so adorable. You're so incredibly adorable. Including your poor little tail. The tail's actually looking much better. Much better, Bobbles. It's possible I have now contained the scamps. Famous last words. Famous last words. Bobbles, let me check your tail. I'm going to do some. Oh, tail could be actually better looking. There's hope. There is hope. Okay. Let's do meds. Oh my goodness, someone's trapped on the outside. So, if you haven't voted yet, now would be an excellent time. I can't. Oh, I don't have to go. Hi, Martin. Oh my goodness, Bobble. Okay. I can't case you missed it, also, the last two samples were negative for worms, which is fantastic. So that is excellent news. The ringworm is looking better, much better actually, since they soaked it. Couple of more positions. We're gonna start releasing the healthy kittens for adoption. And also, if someone wants to adopt Siberian and Jaguar together, we will release them for adoption. It will have to be a little bit of a unique situation because Siberian is not healthy enough for his breeder, so it would be for him. It would be a foster to dog. Okay, and then done. Hey, you know how to get back in? Hi, Jackie Jack. Come on, you know how to get back in. Climb the wall. Come on, you know how to get back in. Where are you going? All you have to do is climb the wall. You know how to do it. Yeah, come on. Come on, come up here. Come on, come up here and I'll get you. No. What? I'll come back in once you ready. So ocelot and panther are cleared for adoption, pending obviously an X-ray and their neuter. So as soon as I get an application for them, we'll get them scheduled. It would be great if they could go together because they are quite bonded, but loving homes of any sort are good. I just want to start getting everybody into their homes for Christmas, but just because they're not, I mean, they get as much attention as they can get here, but it's not like having a family of your own. My can opening today. There you go. This is for the girls. So yeah, Bob's tail looking much better. It's hidden under a food. You don't like it. It's okay. What else? So yeah, Jaguar, Siberia, Panther, Ocelot, Leo. And we get Leo going too. Oh, here comes Jaggy Jag. Yes. Hi, Jag. What a good boy. What a good boy. Oh my goodness, such a good boy. You're a good boy. Oh, and there's Leo. Hi. You don't need to jump, don't worry, I got you. Oh, I got you. Oh, what a good boy. Look, I'm back in. Okay, we need to do this. Bob, where's Bob? Bob. So I would say by the end of next week, Bob, Bob, what's going on? Hey, Bob, kitty, kitty, kitty. Oh, Bob, kitty, kitty, kitty. What's my little Bob, kitty, kitty? She wants to go out. She's outside. Hi, Bubble, come here. You're so cute. No, come here. I'm going to give you a hug. I think that's there we go. There we go. So, help spread the word that if people are interested in Hula Panther, no, sorry, wait. Panther, ocelot, Siberia jaguar. We already know where Leo is going. The way her tail is looking much, much better. Still pretty wretched. Still wouldn't bank on a negative since she was negative. I think it's looking pretty good. I think I've made amazing progress in the last couple of days. You saw? You're so special. Okay. So special. So, hi, you're so handsome. You want to go home? You want to go to your family? There are a couple people coming by over the weekend to, some people who are interested in, bugs, removing these bugs from the crust from the tail. So some people coming by over the weekend to, they were interested in links. They also wanted to meet everybody. They would like to take home 2 kittens. So we'll see who they fall in love with. Okay, I just want to stay in your dress so that you can stay healthy. Good boy. Good boy. Nose. Oh, yeah. Good boy. I need a little more. You guys are so big there. Go through this medicine. $160 for this bottle. Very pretty. Who else is going to walk by? Oh, wait. Hi. Oh, you're so handsome. Ready? Good boy. Good boy. extended tenders to make them a little coffee afterwards. Oh, yes, look at this guy. This is good boy. The Bob. Hi, little Bob. The Bob suddenly wants to leave. So, leave you. Good girl. Good girl. Pound, good pound. Good boy. Oh, yeah. What is on your voice? What do you do? You dirty? Yeah. What do you do? Oh, just that in the So moving on to our third bottle of itraconazole. Hi, Meekers. Hi, Mark. So it takes G5 and 8. Ready? Good girl. Okay. Almost like urea. Oh, is it your turn, Cooper? Ready? Up. Here we go. Here we go. There's Good boy. Good boy. Okay. That should be everybody. Good chickens. Oh my goodness. Nobody likes nitroconazole. Horrible meds, but I have to give you all. I'm very sorry. And it won't always be like this. I'm very excited to get them into their homes. They deserve to have a family that's just in love with them. We'll spend so much time with them. And give them snuggles and let them sleep in their bed with them. Which I can't do because there's still a few that are positive, but There you go. Good boy. Make this. This is the lysine. Just a nutrition supplement that helps with the Bob. Look here. We're also going to have a Q&A with Denise, one of the awesome staff people from Mountain View, who has spent several years working with a cat specialist and knows basically everything there is to know about cats. So you can ask things like, why is Kuma biting the backs of the necks of his brothers? And she will tell you all about how they don't have moms to teach them what is appropriate behavior, and that's their way of establishing dominance. And it's not a sexual thing yet. Et cetera. But she knows all sorts of things, so I'll post on Facebook and so that people can start posting questions for her, and then she's gonna come by and do a little live Q&A. So that'll be fun. Probably gonna be in maybe 2 weeks. Hopefully not all 10 kittens will be here. Oh, little bobbles. So, meds down the hatch. Bob's tail is looking good. I want to look at Kuma's paw real quick. Hi, Kuma. Good. Good. Why don't we get your paw on? I don't know how to get your paw. I know. I am the boss of Kuma. Ooh. His paw is looking good. Good boy. And who's under here? Look at this guy. What a handsome little cougar. Just okay. Alright, they're looking good. I think that we are out of the woods on the neighbor. I think Bob would still come back positive, but I think we're getting to the end of that. It just takes time. I'm very impatient. I like to resolve immediately. Oh, you're so cute. Look at this guy. He's a little love bug. And you are a scamp. You're good. Alright, y'all. Oh, so cute, wonderful. Auntie Luana's gonna come by tomorrow night. And you? Oh, Bob. Oh, do you see how Leo comes running when his little Bob makes noise? Big Kim's gonna take Bob as soon as we can get him x-rayed and neutered. And then I told her that she has to come and bring him to visit his Bob until Bob is cleared. Because it'll be wonderful for Leo to be in a home and getting snuggled, all the snuggles he deserves. But I do think he will miss his Bob, and he will miss his Siberia and his Jaguar. But he'll be so happy to be in his home.